difference between us, Azimio, and the competition is like night and day. And in Kenya today, what we have is a deficit of good leadership. Uongozi bora. And that is what we are looking for. We are looking for a team leader who can be trusted, a person who has been consistent and passionate in fighting for the rights of Kenyans. There is no other person in the race except Baba the People. So we need to get out there with conviction, fetch all the votes in the next 90 days, because we have exactly 90 days, May, June, and July. We've got to make it alive. We will have set the stage to complete the uncompleted business of reform, and we will also have laid down the ghost of disputed elections by having an overwhelming win. Over to you, dear compatriots. Let's do this together. Asanteni.